Hello, I am Delfo from Gate, and I'm here to give you some information regarding this space, which is called SpatialChat. This is the space that we are going to use during our session on Friday. And so, to make you more comfortable before arriving, I will give you some hints and suggestions, and just to move around with and get familiar with this. As you see, my face is in this small bubble here, but if I can drag and drop, I can move around in the space and find my spot, maybe sit on a pillow here. And so the first feature is that you can move around your bubble, and where you go, you will listen to the other bubbles in the room. In this moment, I'm alone, but when you are with other people, the proximity issue will allow you to listen only the people that are close to you. So in order to listen to somebody speaking, you have to get close to that person. And in order not to listen to that person and to maybe to listen to other person in other sides of the room, you just move around, you move far from there, and you are going to listen the sound that is close to you. This is the proximity issue, the proximity feature. There is another interesting option which you can see down here in this menu, and it is the megaphone. If you put the megaphone on, and it will be highlighted with the green color, then in that case your voice will be listened in all the space. No matter if you are close or not to somebody, everybody will listen to you. So you might consider to switch it off if you want to have a more intimate conversation only with the people around you and close to you. Here also you find the muting, and so if you mute yourself, you see that also your face, your bubble becomes a little bit smaller, or you can even hide yourself just switching the camera off. Of course, it will be nice for us to see each other, so you might consider to keep the camera on all the time. And we are going to offer indications and invitation regarding muting and unmuting yourself. There is also the chat option. So if you want to send a message that can be seen by anybody without emitting any noise, any sound, you can consider to write something like you do, for example, in Zoom, and your message will appear very close to your bubble. Well, there is another option here which can be useful when you are having conversations in a small spot. For example, I move here around this nice place, but in this moment I see myself very little, and possibly I will see also the people there very little. So here below in the bottom right side there is the zoom option, so I can go there and move the screen in a way that allows me to zoom in and out and find a spot where I can see myself and other people in a small place close to me with a better view. And this is useful when you are having maybe a more intimate conversation with somebody in small groups. It's interesting to connect with others, just allowing our face to be seen and to look at other people's face from a closer distance. And when you are maybe going back to the full screen, which you can do by using the zoom option, you can still consider to go back to maybe to the view that allows you to see everybody in the room. Well, this is just to start, but we are going to make you comfortable in the beginning of the workshop, just being at your side and supporting you with any maybe suggestion needs that can help you to feel comfortable on the technical side and enjoy our session. And meanwhile, stay safe and take care. Bye-bye. See you Friday.